Good morrow, everyone. Today we're going to discuss the phrase, "You're welcome." You're welcome is a perfectly polite, perfectly correct, and perfectly boring. Today, we gently upgrade it. Politely, like good British people. But before we begin, please like, subscribe, and hit the hype button. Let's start with an easy one. Number 1. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "No problem." Example. Thanks for helping me. No problem. Alternative example. Thanks for carrying my suitcase. No problem. It weighed the same as you. Number 2. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "No worries." Example. Thanks for calling me. No worries. Alternative example. Thank you for waiting for me. No worries. We only started an hour ago. Number 3. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "My pleasure." Example. Thank you for inviting me. My pleasure. Alternative example. Thanks for cooking dinner. My pleasure. You're washing the dishes. Number 4. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "Happy to help." Example. Thanks for explaining the homework. Happy to help. Alternative example. Thanks for fixing my computer. Happy to help. I turned it on. Number 5. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "Of course." Example. Thanks for lending me your pen. Of course. Alternative example. Thanks for driving me home. Of course. Your singing was a gift. Number 6. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "Anytime." Example. Thanks for your advice. Anytime. Alternative example. Thanks for helping me move house. Anytime. My back loves pain. Number 7. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "Don't mention it." Example. Thanks for the gift. Don't mention it. Alternative example. Thank you for not telling the police. Don't mention it. No, seriously, don't mention it. Number 8. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "It was nothing." Example. Thank you for your help. It was nothing. Alternative example. Thanks for driving me to the airport. It was nothing. I enjoy rush hour traffic. Number 9. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "Sure." Example. Thanks for your support. Sure. Alternative example. Thanks for listening to my problems. Sure, I charge by the hour. Number 10. Don't say, "You're welcome." Say, "Glad to help." Example. Thanks for showing me the way. Glad to help. Alternative example. Thanks for teaching me English. Glad to help. Now stop saying, "You're welcome." So, stop using "You're welcome" every single time. There are many alternatives. Some slightly sarcastic, which is our favorite. And if you can't think of anything, just nod politely and say, "No worries." Bye for now.